good, dude. How are we doing?
Good.
What are we doing?
We're gonna jump out of the plane.
Why?
Live like you were dying.
Hell yeah. I mean, we are, right?
Fuck yeah.
So let's go have some fun.
Let's do it.
Woo-hoo! We'll see you out there, Paul.
Yeah. Good.
This is the bird.
Yeah. Let's rock and roll.
And all the way up. What do you think? Do you like the Yeah, buddy.
Done.
Was it everything you thought it would be?
Yes.
You ready to go again?
Yes.
All right, get the plane there. High five, Paul. Thank you so much. Can't wait for the next one, dude.
Awesome, bro.
Hell yeah, you can go say